Join me as I venture into the dark woods at night to uncover what really lurks in the shadows of nature. As the sun dips below the horizon, a whole new world comes alive. The nighttime is a realm of mystery and intrigue, where creatures emerge from the shadows to roam free. It's a world that's often misunderstood, where our imaginations run wild with tales of monsters and beasts. But what really lurks in the shadows of nighttime nature? I think we can all agree that nighttime creatures often get a bad rap. We've all been guilty of fearing what we don't understand, and the unknown can be terrifying. But in reality, most nocturnal animals are just trying to make a living and survive in their environment. The problem is, we rarely get to see them in action, so our imaginations fill in the blanks with all sorts of scary scenarios. But the truth is, nighttime creatures play a vital role in our ecosystem, and without them, our world would be a very different place. Take, for example, the humble bat. These tiny creatures are often feared and misunderstood, but they're actually some of the most important insectivores in our ecosystem. A single bat can eat up to 1,000 mosquitoes in a single night, making them a vital defense against diseases like Zika and malaria. And yet, we often see them as creepy, flying monsters that get tangled in our hair. It's time to change our perception of these amazing creatures. Another common misconception is that nighttime creatures are always predators, lurking in the shadows waiting to pounce on their next meal. But the truth is, many nocturnal animals are prey species, using the cover of darkness to avoid predators and find food. Take, for example, the opossum, a nocturnal marsupial that's often seen as a pest. But in reality, they're just trying to survive, and their ability to play dead is a clever defense mechanism to avoid predators. As we explore the world of nighttime nature, we start to realize just how complex and interconnected our ecosystem is. Every creature, from the tiniest insect to the largest mammal, plays a vital role in the balance of nature. And yet, we often take these creatures for granted, fearing and misunderstanding them simply because they're active at night. Let's take a journey into the world of nocturnal animals, and explore some of the fascinating creatures that come alive after dark. From the majestic owls that soar through the skies, to the cunning raccoons that raid our trash cans, each species has its own unique adaptations and behaviors that have evolved to thrive in the darkness. Take, for example, the aye, a type of lemur found only in Madagascar. This bizarre creature has a long, spindly middle finger that it uses to catch insects and grubs, and its eyes are said to be capable of seeing in the dark. It's a truly alien-like creature that's both fascinating and terrifying at the same time. Or consider the African elephant, which has a highly developed sense of smell that allows it to navigate its habitat at night. These magnificent creatures use their trunks to feel their way through the darkness, searching for food and avoiding predators. It's a truly remarkable adaptation that's essential for their survival. But one of the most surprising facts about nocturnal animals is the way they interact with each other. Take, for example, the relationship between the African wild dog and the spotted hyena. These two predators are often seen as rivals, competing for the same prey in the savannas of Africa. But in reality, they have a complex and symbiotic relationship, where the wild dogs will often lead the hyenas to prey, and then share the spoils. It's a remarkable example of cooperation in the animal kingdom. In the world of nighttime nature, we often see unexpected interactions and adaptations that challenge our assumptions about the natural world. And yet, despite these fascinating insights, we often overlook the importance of nocturnal animals in our ecosystem. So let's take a moment to appreciate the beauty and importance of nighttime wildlife. These creatures are not monsters or beasts, but vital components of our ecosystem, playing a crucial role in the balance of nature. By understanding and appreciating them, we can gain a deeper appreciation for the natural world, and our place within it. Thanks for joining me on this journey into the world of nighttime nature. If you've had any encounters with nocturnal creatures, let me know in the comments below. And if you want to explore more wildlife adventures, be sure to check out my next video, where we'll be exploring the secret world of migratory birds.